Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best mirror camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best mirror camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 3-channel 12-inch car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, AliExpress. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 12 inch. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display IPS. Warranty, 365 days. Weight, 500 g. Number 4 is ASDOM PG17 Max. Specifications. Brand name, ASDOM. Aperture, 1.8. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 800 mega. GPS logger, external. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display, IPS. Interface, Avian, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1.066 g. As the item number 3 we've selected, ADINCOM 4CH 12-inch rearview mirror. Specifications. Brand name, ADINCOM Technology. Aperture, 1.5. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 4. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Display size, 12 inches. Chipset manufacturer, MSDR. Display, IPS. Interface, Avian, micro SD, TF. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1500 g. Number 2 is Wolfbox G840S. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Pixels, 500 mega. Input and output, Type-C. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Display size, 12 inch. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Wolfbox G930. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. View angle, 130. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 9.88 inch. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display LCD. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1160 g.